so it feels really weird. I haven't spoken to the camera in ages, but me and Emily are off to Edinburgh. Is that focused? Yeah. Me and Emily are off to, wow, the lighting in here is nice. Yeah. Me and Emily are off to Edinburgh Fringe Festival. I am so excited. I've never been to Edinburgh before, and I've never been to Fringe Festival, obviously. I've never been to Edinburgh, so we are at Gatwick now. We're flying up, so we're just getting a little Wagamama's, preparing for our flight. Our flight's in like 45 minutes, but fingers crossed Wagamama's nice and quick. And we did read that our flight might be delayed, but not the end of the world. So yeah, we're just waiting for our flight. We're ordering Wagamama's, and I'll probably see you in the air. For it to focus on me. So hi guys, we're in Scotland. Hi guys. We've just landed. You kind of look like Stacey Dooley today. Stacey Dooley? Stacey Dooley, she makes documentaries about things. Oh, you like Stacey Dooley? I love Stacey Dooley, you kind of look like her today. It's a compliment. Thanks, that's good. We're in Scotland. We've just landed. We're just waiting to get off our plane now. Not much to update you on, but the flight was bumpy. We had an Aperol Spritz. And a Heineken. Hi guys, so we've just been for drinks in Haymarket, and now we're going up to the actual area. Oh, it's reflecting. We're going up to the area where actual Fringe is going on. What's his called? Pleasantstone. St George's Square, that's where we're going. We need to get something to eat because we basically had that Wagamama's and haven't eaten since. That's all we've eaten all day. So we're both very hungry and we need to eat something, and then we're gonna probably have some more drinks, and the girls we're with are putting on a show, so we're gonna see if we might go see a show with them. Charges tonight. Oh, you're running out of battery. Hi guys, so it is day 2 of Edinburgh. My hair is a mess, but it's very, are you going to focus? Yeah. It's a very rainy Edinburgh right now, and we are having some breakfast in, what's this place called? In a place called the Blackbird, which is quite close to, well basically we're trying to go to a pancake place across the road, but it was way too full and I've still got my suitcase with me and stuff, so we decided to come over here instead. So we've got coffees and waffles on the way. My camera died yesterday, but I have recharged, so a better lighting is slightly better. I have recharged it so I can actually take you around with what we do today. But we went to see a show yesterday. What was it called? About the noise around town or something, and it was basically like an improv show, so the audience shouted out words and they created little like sketches and songs and stuff around those words. It was amazing. I don't understand how people are that talented, like I literally can't comprehend it, but it was really, really good. So really good Popping My Fringe Virginity show. If you're planning on coming next year and that's why you're watching this video, we basically went and sat in Pleasance Courtyard, and we were like flyered loads of different things. So we just got a drink, and then we got flyers, and the girls we were with recommended this show, but it was also one of the ones we'd been flyered, so we just went and bought tickets. So it was really easy, and it's kind of really easy to be really spontaneous. So we've got some stuff booked and some stuff where we're just gonna kind of see what happens. We're gonna try and do some like free stuff or pay what you can stuff as well. But for today we just gonna have breakfast, check in to our Airbnb, and then go exploring and see what we wanna. Huh? 219 £. So we are walking up to the dome now. We've all checked into our Airbnb, so we're back to normal carrying, and the weather is still really weird. Like I'm really hot and I'm really cold if I take my coat off, so I can't find an in between, but we're walking up now, gonna go see what we can see and take some Instagram pictures. So catch up with you guys when we get there. I'll give you a little tour and stuff. So this over here, what's it called? Just the Tonic. Caves. is one of the free places. Yeah.
Yeah. They're terrible people.
Thank you.
See the amazing concert.
Oh. Okay, I've got so many. Yeah, give it to me, give it to me.
See this one's back in 15 minutes. We'll pack up bar 50 when the traffic lights are.
Thank you. So. Oh. I'm doing it for the vlog. I'm explaining. These are basically, as you just saw, that this. Oh, it's not going to focus, and I can't hold anything else. Can you take those? No. Thanks. No. I wanted to show the experience of like how many people fly at you. Like, so you're never going to not find anything to see, because like one of those starts in 15 minutes, and basically, oh god, let's wipe you up. Basically, there's loads of stuff to see, is what I'm trying to tell you. And that's why I was taking them and why I was carried on vlogging. It's making me look really pale. Oh, it looks cute up there. Should we go up there? It looks cute. Of how many people? Flyers. Oh, the minute I turn the camera on, people stop getting flyers. Like. Hi guys, so we are just sitting in, I'm vlogging, we're just sitting in Edinburgh and we've just been flying this one, so we're going to go see it. I just filmed a little thing of it. It's called Manhunt and we feel like we can relate. I do. So we should. Do you want to say hi? This is Cara. Hello. So we're going to go see this. Oh yeah, I have a badge as well.
Come and see.
Cara's got a show on.
The clown show about rain.
And it'll be, it will still be on when this goes live, right? Because it's on for the rest of the month. So until the 27th of August. So go and see that. We are seeing it tomorrow. Yeah, I'm excited. So I will let you know how we feel about this one after. So this is Cara's show, a clown show about rain, on at 1:40 at Pleasantstowe. And you happy to be on camera? Would you like to explain what it's about? Yeah?
So we use the metaphor of rain to talk about mental health, and we are supporting Rethink Mental Health charity as well. It's really important. We want to spread that word and completely kind of break that stigma about not being able to talk about it. So let's break that, let's stop that. And we have badges to give out, and it's a hashtag weather the storm. So if you want to do some tweeting and some hashtagging, please do come see it.
So she wrote most of Harry Potter in here? The first book.
The first book definitely.
Yeah.
I think a little bit of it. Because loads of the characters and like settings and stuff are all in Edinburgh.
Oh. This is the cafe where J.K. Rowling wrote the first Harry Potter.
Dad's grave or something.
Is it busy? We are at the Mile now. The Royal Mile. And vlogging. And we're going to walk down. There should be loads of stuff going on, so I'll take you guys with me. And when we get to the end, or when we get to somewhere we're sitting, I'll give you my opinion on the show we just saw, Manhunt. I really loved it, but I will yeah, give you a whole overview of what I thought. We're going to walk down the mile now. Building it is. now day 3 in Edinburgh, and we are focused. I swear to God I'm here. No. We are heading up towards the castle. We're just gonna go and have a quick look at it. I don't think we're gonna go in or anything. We're meeting our friend Cara for breakfast in about an hour's time. So we're just gonna go see the castle. Yeah, have a little look around. I really wanted to see it while I was here. So yeah, excited. So this is where Cara's show is. We're gonna go in and buy our tickets now. It's in Pleasance Dome. Just here by the kind of cute little underbelly bit that we were at. So we just stopped for coffee in a cute little place called, can you focus? There we go. A cute little place called Black Medicine Coffee. So we're just going to get a coffee. We're waiting for Cara to meet us, and then we're going to go for breakfast. But I thought I'd give a quick lowdown on what I saw last night. So like I said, yesterday we saw a show called Manhunt, which I loved. I think it was really catering to us. It was about kind of like the Tinder generation and dating, and it was really sketchy, and it was very funny and very relatable, and I really enjoyed that. And then we saw Netflix in the evening, which I didn't enjoy as much as the previous show, but I still really enjoyed it. It was really good. But I think because it's improvised, so basically the audience give in film suggestions and they improvise a whole musical based on that film. So it's amazing. I can't believe anybody is creative and witty enough to do that, and like talented enough to sing it and make it rhyme. And oh my God, it was like, that was, I was in awe of like the fact that they did that. But I think it kind of would probably quite depend on the, they like pick it out of the hat, the film request, and I don't think the film request was the best film request. So I think it could be better if it was maybe a film everybody knows. I think it has more potential to be funnier and be, yeah. So yeah, that was kind of a little update. Yeah. Lose everybody. Oh, like too late, it's happened. Where did they go?
You're vlogging now.
Oh, you found me! I'm just showing them the half price hut. So we're at the half price hut. Where are we? Half price hut. But where is this? Oh, in the new town.
Yeah.
Yeah, in the new town. And here you can get half price tickets to whatever shows are there for the day. So it's really cool. If you're not sure what you want to see, you can just come down here and get a half price ticket to anything that's on there. Very pretty. Very, very pretty.
The best street show. You are. Good. Okay, well, I'm getting distracted. We'll start tuning out.
So pale.
You look really pale, but
yeah,
actually, it looks like clear skin.
Do you think that's what it is rather than pale? Yeah. So we are sitting in the, what's this called? Just the Tonic. Just the Tonic now, having a drink, and we are going. We've booked another show. We've booked Alistair Williams, comedian. So it's our first actual just stand up, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's our first just stand up and probably our last just stand up, I guess.
Yeah, I don't.
So we've got him in like an hour, and then we are seeing a magic show, but a magic comedy show at 7:30.
Yeah.
So we've got, I really wanted to see magic.
It's literally all she's banging on about.
He came over and did a magic trick, and I was like, sold. It's £5 to get in. So
Easy.
We're seeing a comedy show and the magic show.
Just the tonics is really cheap.
Yeah, and just
It's
the
a
tonics,
good place
we just came and sat here and had a drink, and then people just were handing flyers, so we just picked some things to see. Kara's show, clown show about rain. Amazing, like just completely, like I'm blown away, like it was incredible. And I'm not just saying that because she is one of our friends, like it was genuinely, like I would 100% recommend
It's really funny
going
and
to see it if you're here.
And moving.
It was beautiful,
all relying on like friendship.
Yeah,
and
like absolutely, like I was like
lovely.
laughing, I felt emotional, I like, yeah, it was incredible. Like I'd really love to see them in London.
Like,
I'd love to see them again.
What's going on?
Like,
yeah,
absolutely incredible. I would totally recommend going to see them. They're in the Pleasance Dome
at 1:40.
at 1:40.
Except on the 13th and the 20th.
This won't go up before the 13th, so just on the 20th. Yeah, so we've got 2 more shows now, and then we've got our show at midnight this evening, so we're gonna get some food in between the 2. We're gonna see the 2 shows now, get some food, then just go see our drag act this evening.
Oh, it's really cute. Look at the jacket!
Excuse my hair. Oh my god, I look ridiculous. Excuse my hair and the lighting in here. Oh my god. I am no longer in Edinburgh. Okay, it's way too red to be recording in here. Maybe if I put this a little bit in my face, look any better? No. So I'm just trying to make my hair curly for tomorrow. But yeah, I'm no longer in Edinburgh. I am in the US now at my dad's. So I flew from Edinburgh up here, and we're off to Montague tomorrow, so I'm so excited. But I'm gonna wrap up this vlog now. I realised I didn't tell you how my last 2 shows went. So went to see, I think his name's Alistair Williams, comedian, was absolutely hilarious. I'm gonna leave links for everything I saw down below. And then we saw a magic show called Loud and Louder that I was like loved less, but these ones are both on at just, I think it's called Just the Tonic, so they are ones you can get into for free if they're not full. So I would recommend going to see the magic show, but we paid £5 for it, and I feel like you can just pay what you want at the end. It's probably the older guy in it was really good, but the younger girl was a bit much for my taste anyway. But I really wanted to see something magic, so yeah. That's the end of the vlog basically, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Remember to subscribe for more of this style content, bit here, bit of there, basically. And yeah, I just thought I'd give you a little bit of an overview and an end to this vlog, even though I look frigging ridiculous. You win some. I just got off an 8-hour flight, like yeah, so I will catch up with you in my next one. I'm going to do my 48 hours in Montague probably. I'm probably going to vlog all of that. And anything else I need to tell you guys? Not really. I'll vlog some of my time in New York as well. So there'll be some more travel-y vlogs coming, and then I will resume. I think I might start weekly vlogging, but that's for a whole other video. So I will catch up with you guys soon.